How to use two WhatsApp account on your Samsung phone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to use two different WhatsApp account on your Samsung phone. So first thing what you can do is just head over to your Play Store and make sure you have successfully downloaded and installed your WhatsApp application. So once you successfully download it, just open the application. So once you're inside here, as you can see, I've already logged into my first account. So let me just show you. Since I'm creating two WhatsApp account, let me just show you by adding the another account. So as you can see, I've already logged into my first account. So what I need to do is just click on this three dot icon over here at the top right corner and just click on settings. So once I click on settings, I will just click on account and you will see the option called add account. So just tap on it and from over here you'll get the plus icon over here and just tap on plus icon just like this and just click on agree and continue. Now simply follow the on-screen instruction and enter your mobile phone number. So let me just do that. And it may look for your backups if you had turned on your backup option previously. So you can either choose to restore or simply skip the backup process based on your choice. So let me just completely restore my chats for now. So once you do that, just click on next and just enter your phone name. And just like that, your second account or another account will be successfully added to your device. And you can also switch your settings by simply heading over to this top right corner a three dot icon and you can see the option called switch account, and just like that you can switch your account as well. So that is exactly how you can use two WhatsApp account on Samsung phone. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to channel. See you on the next one.